Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into 2025's best fitness trackers available on Amazon. If you're looking to up your fitness game, stick around. I've got some solid recommendations for you. And remember, for more details, click the link in the description or visit our website. Right, let's kick things off with the Fitbit Charge 6. This one's a real powerhouse. It features a sleek design, 7-day battery life, and in-depth health metrics like heart rate variability and sleep stages. What sets it apart? The advanced stress management tools. It's an all-rounder for fitness enthusiasts looking for both style and substance. Next up, the Garmin Venue 3. This tracker is perfect for those who love a sporty look. It's got a bright AMOLED display and a battery that lasts up to 11 days. What really impressed me is its accurate GPS tracking and comprehensive workout modes. Whether you're a runner, swimmer, or cyclist, this one's got you covered. Plus, it's water-resistant up to 50 meters. Now let's talk about the Apple Watch Series 9. It might be on the pricier side, but you get what you pay for. It's got a stunning display, top-notch build quality, and of course the seamless integration with the Apple ecosystem. The new health sensors can monitor everything from your blood oxygen levels to ECG. If you're already an Apple user, this is the ultimate fitness companion. Moving on to the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6. This one's a crowd favorite for Android users. It's got an impressive battery life, a gorgeous display, and excellent health tracking features. What makes it stand out? The bioactive sensor that measures body composition and gives you a detailed analysis of your body health. Plus, it's got a durable design that can handle your toughest workouts. Last but not least, the Xiaomi Mi Smart Band 8. If you're looking for something more budget-friendly without compromising on features, this is your go-to. It's lightweight, has a battery life of up to 14 days, and tracks all your basic health metrics accurately. It may not have all the bells and whistles of the more expensive options, but it's a solid choice for anyone wanting to stay on top of their fitness without breaking the bank. So, there you have it. My top picks for the best fitness trackers on Amazon in 2025. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned athlete, there's something here for everyone. Don't forget to check the links in the description for more information and the best deals. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more reviews and tips. Thanks for watching, and stay fit.